Welcome, today in front of me Sony Xperia Z5 Premium, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off the NFC on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here on more section. Here you'll see the NFC. Just tap once here on the switcher, and as can you see, the NFC option is activated on our device right now. And just to turn it on, tap here again on the switcher, and that's it. And also we got the second way how we can do that. You just should open your notification panel, and here as can you see, we have now at the moment the NFC icon, but we'll change that now. If you have now here icon of NFC, you should go here to the edit icon, and as can you see here, we got more icons that we can add to our notification panel. And here we get the NFC icon. Just to add this icon to our notification panel, hold it and drag it here to your notification panel. And now just go back to save the changes, and as can you see now, the NFC icon is visible here on our notification panel. And just to activate it, tap here once on the switcher, and icon will like in the white color. So by this way you can activate your NFC. And just to turn it off, tap here again on this icon, and that's it. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.